This beautiful speaker is just of $2. The speaker name is Bits SM001, and this video you will see the unboxing of this beautiful speaker. But before, just subscribe our channel and tap on the like button if you really like this video. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, tap on the subscribe button to see how magically the subscribe button turns from red to gray. Also tap on this bell icon to get each and every notification of our channel. So this is the Bits SM001 speaker, which you can buy only at $2 in any of your nearest gadget appliance store. It will cost you just $2, which is very cheap. But the speaker, if you take a look at the speaker, it's really beautiful. I found it very useful listening songs. It gives a really a good bass in this price. The sound quality is also good. But the problem I found in the speaker is not a wireless speaker, it's a wired speaker. So, and the wire is a bit short. So you have to manage that. But I will make another video in which I would tell you how you can turn a speaker into a wireless speaker. And finally, I will be giving away this speaker to one of the participants of the giveaway contest. Just see the description to know how you can join this giveaway contest. And the speaker is really cool. Just listen it.